Welcome to a world lost to time, a world ruled by giants. For millions of years, dinosaurs dominated the planet, and among them were some of the most fearsome predators to have ever existed. But which one was the most terrifying of all? Many would point to the Spinosaurus, potentially the largest carnivorous dinosaur. This colossal creature was a master of both land and water. With its distinctive sail and elongated, crocodile-like skull, it was a versatile and relentless hunter, perfectly adapted for catching fish and pursuing prey across multiple terrains. Its sheer size and power make it a top contender for the title of most terrifying. Others might argue for the chilling intelligence of the raptors, like the Utahraptor. Far larger than its more famous cousin, the Velociraptor, the Utahraptor was a formidable predator. Living during the early Cretaceous period, it likely hunted in packs, using its size, speed, and signature sickle-shaped claws to overwhelm even the largest herbivores. Their cooperative hunting style and ferocity were the stuff of nightmares. However, one name echoes through history as the undisputed king of the dinosaurs, Tyrannosaurus rex. Its name literally means tyrant lizard king, and for good reason. The T-Rex was an apex predator, boasting the strongest bite force of any land animal ever. This bipedal carnivore had a massive head, jaws capable of crushing bone, and a reputation as a ferocious hunter. While debates continue about whether it was a hunter or a scavenger, its raw power and terrifying presence have cemented its legacy. In the ancient world, hearing the roar of a T-Rex meant only one thing: the tyrant king had arrived.